Hello, friends, and welcome to our last reading create of the summer. My name is Allie, and I work for the Scott County Library. Our theme this week is Me and My World, and we're going to celebrate what makes you, you. Parents, we do have a Create Kit that's available at your local Scott County Library in Minnesota. They are available the week this posts and are first come, first serve. In there this week, you'll find a life-size self-portrait kit. Our early literacy practice of the week is Write Together. The most important letters that your kids can learn are the letters that begin and are in their name. So if you're looking for a good starting point of where to practice writing letters, start with the first letter and work your way through the rest. Our song this week is one that a lot of us may be familiar with. So we're going to do it in two separate ways. The first, we're going to do it traditionally. We're going to do head, shoulders, knees, and toes. And then we're going to try and reverse it. This is a way to make it a little bit more fun and a bit more of a challenge. And it's a reminder that we can make mistakes and it can be really funny. So let's try it first traditionally, and then let's try it in the reverse way. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, And you can do it that way and just keep speeding up faster and faster and faster until it turns into something really silly, like head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. Okay, now let's try that in reverse, and we're gonna go a little bit slower. Toes, knees, shoulders, head, toes, knees, shoulders, head, and mouth and nose and ears and eyes. Toes, knees, shoulders, head. Now, can you speed that up? I'm gonna try. Let's see. Toes, knees, shoulders, head. Toes, knees, shoulders, head, and mouth and nose and ears and eyes. Nut. Toes and knees, shoulders, head. Our book today is a reminder that you can do something if you believe you can do it. Our book today is about celebrating you and what you can do. It is I Believe I Can, written by Grace Byers and illustrated by Ketera A. Bobo, and read with permission from HarperCollins. Let's read, shall we? I can sail like mighty ships, like the oceans, I run deep. I can stretch just like the Alps until I reach my highest peak. I can charge just like a train, like a rocket, I'll ignite. Like a star I can project my brightest shine against the night. I am like the lion's roar. I am like the dragon's flames. I am worthy because I'm me, and there is value to my name. I can build just like a brick. I keep going like a clock. I can hold just like cement. I can last just like a rock. Grounded firm, I'm like the soil, like the sky, I'm boundless too. When I believe in myself, there's simply nothing I can't do. Like the hero, I am brave and face my fears despite my fright, because I know I'm not alone, and in the end, I'll be all right. Sometimes I am right, and sometimes I am wrong. But even when I make mistakes, I learn from them to make me strong. I may not win at all I do. I may experience defeat. But I'll dust off and try again to be the best I can be. I know my power lies within. There's nothing that can hold me down. There is a light within my smile. There is voice within my sound. My presence matters in this world. My life is worthy. There is a plan. I know I can do anything, if only I believe I can. The end. Today, our rhyme isn't really a rhyme. It's a series of affirmations that we can tell ourselves if we're having a day where we feel a little sad or if we are struggling with a skill that we're trying to learn. It's just a good way to remind yourself. And what I would recommend is taking a deep breath between each affirmation. So we're going to start with, I am great. I am smart. I am strong. I am loved. Today is going to be a great day. Let's do that one more time. And feel free to add your own. I am great. I am smart. I am strong. I am loved. Today is going to be a great day. Our Read and Create kit this week is a life-size self-portrait. Inside this kit, you'll receive a few items. You can pick them up at your local Scott County Library in Minnesota. They're available first come, first serve, and are available when this video posts. Now, inside this kit, you'll have an activity sheet with some books and songs and also some instructions. You'll have, most importantly for a life-size self-portrait, a giant sheet of paper. Now, and it's folded up so it'd fit in the bag. So you'll want to press it out and smooth it out before you begin. And then you'll have one other tool included. You have a dual-tipped marker. Inside this marker, there are two sides. There's a brush side, and this is great because it can do a variety of different points. You can do fine, or you can do really bold marks with it. You also have a fine tip, which is great for lettering, practicing writing, or coloring in small spaces. And these are water-based, so if they get on hands, it's easy to wash off. Instead of walking you step by step through this project, I'm going to narrate the process I used when I did this project with my children. You'll want to start with the hard surface, a hard floor, and have your kids lie down. Once they're there, you'll begin the process of tracing. This does not need to be accurate. Kids are squirmy. And go through and start with the head and trace around. If your child is too long for the paper, go ahead and cut off the feet, but you'll definitely want to keep the head. Once you've finished tracing, have your kids go through. We added markers, crayons. My oldest just wanted to use a lavender marker and colored in herself. You can add activities that you like, or you can create a full self-portrait. Some other ideas are to put on your favorite clothes, put yourself in your favorite outfit, or dress yourself up as a superhero. It's however you want to create this. Thanks for joining us.